face on the concrete. With every move I make, I'm walking to my own beat. Though I failed a million times, I'm still on my feet. My feet. Yeah, I'll leave behind a legacy built off of my dreams. No time to waste, we only get one chance to achieve. I know I'm falling on the ground, yeah, I still believe. Cause you could try to knock me down, kick me while I'm on the ground. Every moment's worth a try. You're gonna see me in the sky, cause it's all about the rise.
Cut off some friends for sanity to begin. I lost a lot but gained more, my inner peace in the gym. Working out my frustration, seems to me that's a win. Would always help when I was down, putting paper to pen. I'd rather live through your mind without me paying no rent. The hero that's unknown, I'm feeling like Clark Kent. Some need a Superman, but I got a super plan. See, I don't dodge, I ram. I can't sit there, I stand. Relationships I built is heartfelt, don't need no scams. By linking up with Grail and on the right is scan. See, I don't understand, I understand and overstand. Integrity and having morals turn me man. I ain't riding away, no, I'm just saving my space. Often from people's delays, remaining up in my cave. Why? Cause often I be sporting all my losses with a caution. If his boss is talking boss and I'm the man, you take the course with.